Welcome to Helluva U. Today's lesson, Gaylord Box Folding 101. Today, we're learning how to fold a Gaylord box in 4 easy steps. But first, a quick overview. Helluva Gaylord boxes come in rectangular or octagon shapes, a variety of wall thicknesses, and with or without flaps. Today, we'll be assembling a Domelock box. Step 1. Take the first box off the top of the pallet and position it so the bottom flaps are on top. Step 2. Grab the corner of one end and pull the box wide open. Step 3. Fold the big flaps in first on both sides. Make sure the slotted edge of the big flaps fits into the corresponding areas on the small flaps. Step 4. Squeeze the box slightly to make the final adjustment and square everything up nicely. And there you go. Your Domelock Gaylord box is ready to go. Now that's a hell of assembly. If it ain't tough, it ain't Helluva.